Dear students, we start with maths. There are two maths papers in 10th standard, namely algebra and geometry. We start with that algebra part, mathematics paper 1. We start with chapter number 1. Linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in one unknown you are done earlier. Now linear equations in two variables. First equation. Algebra, chapter number 1. Linear equations in two variables. General equation we write as ax plus by equal to c. Ax plus by equal to c, where a, b and c are constants. Normal equation example, suppose we write like 5x plus 7y equal to 10, or 3x plus 5y equal to 7. Like these equations whose degree, power of the variable x or y is 1 only, not 2. We start with exercise 1.1, algebra chapter number 1's first exercise. The first one is an activity based question. The question is 5x plus 3y plus 3y equal to 9. Second one, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. The first one we consider equation 1, and this is equation 2. Here we observe that y coefficients 3y in both. Y coefficient 3 plus 3 plus 3. S coefficients are different. Y coefficients are one and the same. So we subtract. When we subtract 3y, this 3y from this 3y, that becomes 0. 3y minus 3y becomes 0. Therefore, equation 1 minus equation 2, which implies what? Equation 1 minus equation 2. 5x minus 2x, 3x. 3y minus 3y becomes 0. 9 minus 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Greater number sign is minus, 9 minus 12. So it is minus 3. We want x only. Therefore, x is equal to that minus 3. Right hand side 3 minus 3 upon this 3. Here 3 into x, x is equal to minus 3 upon 3, which is minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find value of y. We substitute this value of x in equation 1 or even equation 2. Suppose we substitute value of x is minus 1 in equation say 2. Therefore, equation 2 is here 2x, 2 into x, x is equal to minus 1 plus 3y equal to 12. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. plus 3y is equal to 12. 3y is equal to 12. Then this minus 2 goes that side as plus 2. Minus 2 goes that side plus 2. 12 plus 2, 14. 3y is equal to 14. If y is equal to 14 upon 3. Here multiply. Multiplication in one side of the equation becomes division on the other side. This side you have to 3 into y, that side we have to divide by 3. So it is a fraction, we can stop here. If we go further, 3 from 14, we can take fully 4 times. 4 3s are 12. From 14, 3 we are taking 4 times, 12 goes. So remainder 2 by 3. This is less than 1, so you have to write as a small part. This is mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. Therefore, final answer. So, solution. Solution short form is SOLN, solution. Here, x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 14 upon 3. Minus 1 and y is equal to 14 upon 3. This is the solution part. This is question 1. Now we do question number 2. Here I do question number even numbered questions. Question number 2. Question number 2, sub question number 2. This is main question 2. Solve the question number 2 says what? Solve the following. Solve the following. Solve means what? You have to find the value of unknown values, unknown quantities x and y. Question number 2. First equation x plus 7y equal to 10. First equation. Second, 3x minus 2y equal to 7. That is second equation. Here we go for solving these simultaneous equations by theory of elimination. Elimination means from one equation get the value of x, put in the other. That is one way. Or you can use Cramer's rule, or you can use simultaneous equation method, making that coefficients exactly equal. Let us use coefficients are made equal. Equation 1 we multiply by 3. This first equation we multiply by 3 to make this x coefficient 3. Here we have 3x in the other equation. So both are becoming 3. 3x means we can subtract. So equation 1 multiply by 3, which gives us what? 3 into x, 3x, 3 into plus 7y, 3 7s are 21y is equal to 3 10s are 30. We call this is equation number 3. Equation number 2, already we have here 3x minus 2y equal to 7. That is equation number 2 only. Now we subtract because 3x minus 3x becomes 0. That x gets away. Only y terms will be there. So equation 3 minus equation 2. That gives us what? 3 minus 2, see? Equation 3 minus equation 2. 3x minus 3x becomes 0. 21y minus of this minus 2 plus 2y. 21y plus 2y. Otherwise this minus we give to this minus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into plus minus. 3x minus 3x 0. 21y plus 2y. So plus 21 plus 2 more plus 23y equal to 30 minus 7, 23. Therefore, y is equal to that 23 upon this 23. In one side you have to multiply, here you have to multiply. So here when we shift to the other side, we have to divide. 23 upon 23 is 1. Y is equal to 1. Now we got y equal to 1 by eliminating x. We removed x from the scene. Now we get back. For that, substituting y equal to 1 in equation either 1 or 2. We substitute in equation 1. You can substitute in 2 also. You will get the same answer. Therefore, equation 1 now becomes what? X plus 7 times y. Y is equal to 1. Equal to 10. So x 7 into 1 7 equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to this 10. Plus 7 goes there, minus 7. 10 minus 7 3. X is equal to 3. We got the other variable x also. Now we write the answers. X is 3, y is 1. Therefore solutions. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. That is, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is a solution. If you want to check this is correct or what, whether the answers what we got correct or what, check and see. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. X is 3, y is 1. Here x is 3, x is 3, y is 1. This we substitute in this equation. 3 plus 7, 1, 7. 3 plus 7, 10 equal to 10, correct. So what we did, that is correct answer. So this is a solution. What we did here, we eliminate the value of one variable and get the other one. From the two variables, one variable we have to remove from the scene to get the other variable. Agreed? Now we pass on to question number 4. Question number 4. Here it is. This is 5m minus 3n equal to 19. This is equation number 1. Second equation, m minus 6n equal to minus 7. That is equation number 2. Here 3n, we want to make this 6n means we multiply by 2. 2 3 is 6. N coefficients are made equal. Then we can get m. So we think in that way. Therefore equation 1 multiply by 2. That gives us what? 2 5s are 10 times n. 10m minus 2 into 3, 6n equal to 19. Now 6n we made in the first equation. In the second equation we have already 6n minus 6n we have. So that also we write m minus 6n is minus 7. Now we subtract. This new equation we call equation number 3. This equation 2 only. Both are of the same sign. So we here subtract. So this is equation 3 minus equation 2. This gives us what? 3 minus 2. This minus and we give here. Minus into minus, this is plus. Minus into minus plus. Then we add 10m minus 1m, 9m. Plus 6n minus 6n, becomes 0n. 7 plus 9, 19 plus 7, that is 26. How it is? This 19, I made a mistake. I correct it.